In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable JavaScript for a website on Google Chrome. Maybe a page is running heavy scripts, auto-playing elements, or you just want extra privacy on a specific site. Instead of turning JavaScript off everywhere, Chrome lets you target a single website so the rest of your browsing stays the same. JavaScript is the code that powers menus, forms, ads, trackers, and many dynamic elements, so blocking it can speed things up or reduce distractions on sites you don't fully trust. I'll show you two easy methods, a quick on-page option and a settings-based approach that's great for managing a list of blocked sites. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to the website you want to control. Look to the left of the address bar and click the padlock icon. In the panel that opens, choose Site Settings. This takes you to permissions just for this site. Find JavaScript in the list and change it from allowed to block. That's it! Chrome will prevent this site from running JavaScript. The change applies the next time the page loads. After a quick refresh, you may notice drop-downs, pop-ups, or other interactive widgets stop working. That's expected because those features often rely on JavaScript. This is a fast way to calm a single page that feels busy, intrusive, or slow. For more control, set this up from Chrome's main settings. Open the menu with the three dots, choose Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and open Site Settings. Scroll to JavaScript. Under Not Allowed to Use JavaScript, click Add. Enter the site's URL exactly as you visit it. For example, https://example.com and click Add again. That site will now be blocked every time you visit until you change the setting. This central list makes it easy to manage several sites even when you're not currently on them. To turn JavaScript back on for a site, return to the same place you used before and switch it to Allow. In the site-specific settings, change the permission to allow, or in Chrome's JavaScript settings, remove the site from the blocked list. Reload the page and its interactive features should return. And that's all you need for precise per-site control in Chrome.